We're jugando, we leave, we leave.
Move, 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 move. Bunny rabbit. No, Michael, not all the way up there.
We've done it before.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, dude, and this is high enough already.
That's high enough already. Let me know when you're done, Michelle. I'll finish the video.
I am jump. I want to jump first. I think you're neat.
No, it's just.
I already did this. Right here, get the bus.
Yeah, existing place by university to get the top course.
You guys got it. It's on the top of the picture.
What?
That's all you can think about.
On top of the car?
It's now almost 7 o'clock at night, and I'm going to videotape the two things that we've written today. You sit inside the tube and you go around the current preview. There's the sky, she's in the waves too. Don't see them. So it's so dope. These are things like these children, hopefully. One of the rides, you get a tube and you slide down and you race to the bottom. That's the fun. You go straight down. That teacup comes out and that's your sister right there. is pretty much decorated as if we were in a ski resort.
I don't know what's going out of it to drop that was before. I know what to expect.
Take the ski lift up to the top of the mountain.
Yeah, I'm having a shower.
And then this slope, you come down and it's kind of hilly and you get all the way down. You can swing anything to your block. You can climb the rope over the places. Come down the little channel or tube. And this is where you come down the big rock.
I'll let you up for now, Bob, and I'll finish up. Rather in here. More smiles. Sorry, what did you say?
No, I was asking him if he'd prefer rollerblades. It's up to you guys. You want
Wolf on there. With a bunch of bruises.
Put them on tricycles. You bet with it.
I look at.
Yeah, the hat was 9, and then you got the fuck also.
I don't want to walk away. I just want to find that.
Did Randy say he was here?
One person, black, 12. See what I can have on Ariel one. We're thinking, oh no, should we do it?
Okay, and what is your other one's name?
Are you gonna get up and look?
No.
Just stay there, Stephen. Wait.
So the fight's gonna be in which room does it go?
Mine.